Hello everyone, this is Geeta Srinivasan, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce from KZS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. Today our topic is GDP, that is Gross Domestic Product. Now we will see why we need a GDP and what is GDP. The GDP is important because it gives information about the size of the economy and how an economy is performing. Then, what is GDP? GDP is the total monetary or market value of all the finished goods and services produced within a country's border in a specific time period, and has a broad measure of overall domestic production. Domestic production means product which is produced within the country. Okay, it functions as a prehensive scorecard of a given country's economic health. Two type of GDP is there. One is real GDP and another one is nominal GDP. So what is meant by real GDP? Real GDP is a measure of a country's gross domestic product that has been adjusted for inflation. And what is nominal GDP? Nominal GDP, which measures GDP using current prices without adjusting for inflation. Now we will see how to calculate the GDP and why we want to calculate it. This includes not only goods and services that were produced by domestic firms, but also the output generated by foreign countries in India. As a result of foreign direct investment, that is FDI, as long as output is generated within a country's border, the government will count it towards the GDP. So there are three ways to calculate a country GDP. First one is expenditure method, second is income method, and third one is production method. So when you come to the expenditure method, it is consumption plus investment plus government plus net exports. And when you come to the income method, wages plus rental rate on capital plus profit. Production method means final value of all goods and services plus intermediate costs. So these are the three type of methods to calculate the GDP. Thank you very much for your coordination. We will meet on the next presentation. Thank you very much.